start?
Yeah, she will.
I've deliberately put a little bit too much fill on here just so I can shape it a bit better. Pulled out 99% of the dent below. Once rear arch, looking like fine.
To use the other side for a reference to see what it's actually meant to look like. Oh.
And the weather is absolutely amazing. It is beautiful. So, saving a little bit of sweeping, a little bit of tidying, we are going to sand and work on the van out in this beautiful sunshine. There's honestly not a cloud in the sky. We've been blessed with some amazing weather, which has meant that we've been able to bring the camp van outside.
What do you think is going to happen next once you've filled and sanded it?
A bit more filling and sanding.